to Mike's Double Edge. Today we are doing premium shaving soap paint magic. I know this is supposed to be a bubble gum, but it smells like those fruity tooties by the same company that makes the Tootsie Rolls. Yeah, something like that. It almost smells like the strawberry or cherry one I would. Oh, I love the smell. So we're using that. Got some already loaded up. Made a ton of lather. And I'll be using these right here. Shark Super Crumbs. Haven't used those yet. I've used the platinums, and I do like the platinums. We'll be putting it in. Oh, I can't talk today. The Pearl Twist Open. I believe he said TTO. But yeah, we'll be using that today. We'll be giving that another shot. So let me get the razor loaded up here. Shark. It's in. And it's ready. Looks good. All right. Wet my face. Okay. Let's get this lather going here. Ooh. Definitely makes a nice lather, that's for sure. No, I didn't say get on the shirt. Neck area's a little light, but that's all right. There we go. How are y'all doing today? It started getting warm again down here. Back in the 80s. Some of you, that's not horrible. Well, for us, it's not either. But I was kind of hoping the 60s would stay. All right. Get that out of my way here. All right. Let's give it a go. Let's give it a go. Ooh, very audible. Again. It's taking a step off though. Definitely taking a step off. Is it actually smooth? Dang it. Ooh. Sorry. Got some residual, that's for sure. I can definitely still feel a ton of blade on this razor. It's not the most comfortable either. Y'all hear that? That soap's actually got slickness. Shape towel. Yeah, that feels pretty aggressive to me. But let's lather back up. Do pass two. Go again. That pass wasn't too bad. I think I tried getting the cream a little thicker too. I gotta go this way. Right now, it's the spot that's really stinging is my neck with this. So. Right there's not bad. Yeah. Very irritated right here. I got my new shirt. All right, let's assess the damage here. Any spots? I know I had some on the brush. I don't see any there. Yeah, right in there. Looks pretty chewed up, but that's a combination of other razors too, blades. Otherwise, that gives a very close shave. Yeah, against there isn't much against except for right here, but I don't want to go against with that one. I'll go against with the Rockwell right now, but not that one. So was it a better shave than last time when I used it? Yeah. Yeah, especially if I can get the lather thick enough for it. Good lather. Still in the bowl, a little bit left. Brush, let's see how much is left in the brush here. I'll get my other stuff on here in a second. Still a good amount in there. Alright, I'll take care of that later, afterwards. So here's what I'm going to use. I'm going to use my Stetson Cooling Aftershave. Yeah. This is one of the things my wife got me for my birthday. It smells really good and very, very familiar again. I can't pinpoint where I smell it from, but it smells very familiar. Whoa, a little too much, a little too much. Is there alcohol in it? Because I didn't feel burn. Let's check the listings here. What's it got in there? Does it have one? I'm not seeing oh wait. Alcohol, denatured. Yeah, probably denatured alcohol. So that's the only alcohol I see, and it's like way down the list. So, and then we'll go. Stuff smells good. Yeah. Right there. Now, the Cremo Heritage Post Shave Balm. Spiced Amber. Little pop-up cap. That's kind of cool. Are you going to come out though? Hold on, we're having technical difficulties. I think there's a cap in there I have to take out. Yep. Was not aware of that. Now it'll work. There we go. Nice and creamy. Ooh. It's kind of like a lotion consistency. Smells good though. All right. Rinse that off my fingers because it's quite. Let's see if I can take a little bit off here. Rub a little bit in here. Yeah, that's pretty bad down here. I don't know if you all see that. That's super irritating right there. This stuff's supposed to help with kind of the same thing Nivea is supposed to help with too. So I think that's it for today, guys. Sorry there wasn't a whole lot of talking. This is one of my least talkative ones. There wasn't much for me to talk about today. But yeah, I think that's it. Shave wasn't too bad. Definitely blade feel on that razor. Past couple times I used it, definitely blade feel. The blade felt nice and sharp though. I am gonna have to use that super chrome blade from Shark again. Maybe to do a second pass on it, second use. Set it out of the way, and then try it again. Maybe I'll feel a little bit better. But I like that soap. There is the other one of it. We'll do that down the line. So yeah, I think that's it for tonight. Have a good day, and I'll see you next shave. Bye.